I think clearly we now know that 5 months to general elections, having been out of government for the last 10 years, all of us in the community want to be in the next government. And anybody who is still waiting, then that person does not see where the next government is going to be. And the leadership is guiding people on the right track, on the right path, where people can benefit as people. And looking at now the two horses that have been, now one horse has started to get ahead of the other. I think the one that has been using wheelbarrow, sasa imeshindwa na tinga tinga. Na tinga tinga imeenda mbele. And we want to go with that one because obviously, having been out of government for the last 10 years, we cannot be another one day out of government. And that's why I want to assure the professionals meeting here and professionals who are meeting here from our community, from all shades, engineers, doctors, lawyers, business people, they have come together on their own will. We only came and they told us, are you part of this or you want to go a different direction? And we said we are part of this. And therefore we say, our professionals, please go ahead. Get us the right information and we'll bring it to the people. But all of us united, we should be able to go to our people and tell them that this is the right way. This is the way to go. I do know our people have been very anxious because they wait, they are asking which way to go. Today information is so fast that people can see, can hear. Wherever you are, you know what is happening where in this country, and therefore this is not when information used to take days and days to get to you so that you can make a decision. We now know where this country must go, and we are looking for a leader next general election who can lead this country as the president of Kenya and who has some kind of experience, understanding, can be trusted, and there can never be any other than the Azimio la Umoja. And we are very happy with His Excellency the President because he himself also says this is the way to go. He cannot be wrong. He has called one of his lieutenants, Mutua kutangatanga. And really you need to ask yourself, if you are deputizing somebody and people are supposed to be working, at what point do you sit down to plan and then to go and implement? If you are every single day, morning to evening, on the road, on top of a vehicle, telling people what they need to do, I think time has come for us as Kenyans to know there can only be one person who can help this country. And most importantly, is his work of the past. Raila Odinga has fought for change in this country. We are saying we want more resources to the counties so that we can deal once and for all with the poverty issues that are affecting our people. We know him. He is not just a politician, but also an engineer who we expect is going to re-engineer the economy of this country. And he understands it. He is going to take over this Big Four agenda, especially manufacturing, and put our young people to work. So with this, when what our professionals have done, we want to tell you, ECHO, well done. Please move on. You have spent many, many hours planning for this. I can assure you on my own part, and of course my colleagues here, we are now going to hit the road running, and we will be there in the villages. Kwa vijiji, na wapi, na makanisa, na hata nyinyi, although I know usually professionals don't talk too much. But ukiona nafasi, hata ikiwa ni kanisa, usome one chapter, one line, ile inasema Raila kuingia kwa State House. Na ziko. Because ni kuomba na kuambia this is the direction to go. Quite honestly, 58 years, 59 years of poverty is long enough. 59 years. If you remember, President Kenyatta himself, Mzee Hayati, had only 3 agenda: poverty, ill health, and the ignorance. After 15 years came mzee Moi yake hatukujua sana, alisema Nyayo hiyo ndi nafanya miaka 24 tukaachiwa na umaskini. Mzee Kibaki akakuja akasema economy hii nita fix. President na infrastructure. President Uhuru Kenyatta amefanya infrastructure. Now he's saying I want to leave somebody who truly can continue with my legacy and indeed deal with poverty issues. Who are we not to support him? Therefore, like my colleagues have said here, quite honestly, anybody from within our community who is still waiting to be asked to kurikuri, come, I think that person is now wasting our time. Na akiwa ni kitu anataka kupewa, ikiwa ni pesa arudi kwa community, ili tuchange tumpatie, release watu wetu. Because we need to go. Achane na mambo ya kuuliza pesa na kuombaomba. Tunajua umaskini tuko naye. Tuko na umaskini Ukambani. But we also have some kind of pride. You know, that we can say we do not want to be given anything other than 4 things that we are looking for. And we want opportunities, we want shared prosperity, we want representation, and we want resources, which is going to lift our people. That is really just all we want as people. So I finally want to just say that this is our moment. This is our moment, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. And we are going to work with you. Muwe tayari, tutawasukuma na mnyi mtusukume pia. Na kwa hiyo nimeambiwa niseme machache kwa Kikamba. Na sioni kama hii iko Kikamba pale. Iko Kikamba.
Hata mimi nitasema Kikamba kidogo.
Nisema kidogo hapa ya Kikamba, niseme Nasia.
Dole chabu.
Nasiati. Ithita anduma mbaimwe. Meta wa Kamba. Nitano yeni kwetela. Nakuya wetela itukamonia. Atongoi meshe izi nyingi munobyo. Me mithemba mingi munobyo. Ama komana ba umundi ma asomi maitu masomete muno ni matonya nzia. Na matu ya mayuti wa inginza ni serikali ila yukite. Na mundu la imedho. Onetha mundu ndena medho na matu paye mundu yute sebala serikali ila yukite. Na hithi tuyenda uti wa serikali. Miaka 10 tuithi tuinza ya serikali. Na tiiti wa ingi. Na serikali ila yukite ya mundu twisi na itu mutethesie nye na mutethesie kuma ngilile ya mwonza angima asia mundu ndailie na asia mundu niwe ngilile na 13 ithio ndeta community twalikabu ngili 10 ya mwonza 2017 talika ithio ndengibo ni mundu wisikie, meaning that ithie tu thiu kumutethesia Raila Odinga atwike president wa Kenya.